Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm testing out a mascara and this is supposed to be a dupe for the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. However, this mascara is only £3 and a Too Faced Better Than Sex is actually £22. And I looked at quite a few different reviews on this online. I didn't look at any videos, but I did look at some blog posts, and lots of people were saying that this is exactly the same as the Better Than Sex mascara. And I saw this in Primark and I decided I was going to go ahead and pick it up and see how it goes. So the mascara that I'm testing out today is the Full Lash Queen, which is dramatic volume, fullness and length. And this is what it looks like. So it looks like it's going to be really good. As you can see, there is a before and after on there, which is pretty much the same as what the Better Than Sex mascara has on their packaging, and I am so excited to test this out. I've actually had this in my makeup collection for about 6 months and I actually purchased this before the whole pandemic happened, and I've only just been able to start using this just because I have a couple of mascaras that are open and they are almost finished now. So I've decided I'm going to go ahead and test this out and see how it goes. So if you're new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and also make sure to hit the bell icon just so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And if you guys have been subscribed to my channel for a while, you'll know that I actually tested out the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I did a first impression on it and I wasn't that blown away with it. Now it was good, but I actually had other mascaras that were better, that were actually more affordable, and I feel like that if this can do the same as the Too Faced mascara, then this will be a really good dupe for everyone to get your hands on, because I love finding myself a dupe, and for £3 you can't really go wrong. And I have high hopes for this just because of the before and afters that are on there. Now on Primark's website they don't actually have this. They don't really have everything that they usually sell on their website, and that's the only annoying thing. So I can't really look on the website and see what the claims are, but I'm just going to read what it says on the packaging. So it says 87% said it plumps lashes, 87% said it instantly increases lash length, 95% saw instant volume, unique soft fibre brush, and it says it's dramatic volume, fullness and length. And I don't think there's anything else on here. It does have 9 millilitres, which is actually more. The Too Faced mascara has 8 millilitres and that's £22. This has more, so 9 millilitres, and is only £3. So super affordable, and it's also cruelty free as well, like all Primark makeup is. So I have actually tested out some Primark makeup before on my channel and I really liked it. I didn't really have high hopes for it at the beginning because it was super affordable and I hadn't really seen many videos on it, but then when I tested out some products I really did like it. And this is what the packaging looks like. So it's exactly the same as the Too Faced mascara, and it's just a matte pink finish, and on there you do have Full Lash Queen, dramatic volume, fullness and length, and then again it's got this soft fibre brush, gives dramatic volume, and then it's also got cruelty free and a couple of different things on the packaging there. And this is what the brush looks like. So it looks absolutely massive, so I'm hoping that it's going to get to every single lash, and I'm hoping this is what's going to plump up the lashes. But it doesn't look the same as the Too Faced mascara, but it does look pretty big like that mascara one looks like. So we're going to go ahead and zoom in and test out the mascara and see how it goes. So this is what my eyelashes look like naturally. I haven't done anything with them, I haven't curled them, I haven't put any lash primer or anything like that on them. It's just how my lashes look naturally. So we're going to go ahead and do one coat and see what it looks like, and we're going to compare it to the other eye. And this is what one coat of the mascara looks like, and I feel like it looks really good. I feel like it's really lengthened my lashes. I have a lot of volume on there as well, and I did do a rolling motion just to see if I could plump up the lashes. So I did that on the outside, and then on the inside I just went up like this, and I feel like it looks really good. I'm really happy with one coat, and I'm blown away because I didn't think this mascara would do this well. So I'm going to go ahead and do a second coat and see if we can build it up. I think I'm going to do 3 coats in total, just because that's what I usually do with all of my mascaras, just so we can see if it builds up. So I'm going to go ahead and do a second coat and we'll see what it looks like. And this is what 2 coats of the mascara looks like, and I feel like it looks so good. I would happily just go out with 2 coats of the mascara on, and it built up really well. I can't see any spider lashes or anything like that. I noticed that the ones in the middle are starting to stick together a little bit more, but it looks good, and I just feel like I might need to separate them a little bit more as well. And I did get a little bit of mascara on the top of my eyelid as well, but to be honest, it's a massive brush, so I'm not really too bothered about that, and I'll just wait for it to dry and then I'll get some off. So I like it. I feel like it's really good with the 2 coats. I felt like it was really good with just the 1 coat anyway, but I'm going to go ahead and do a third and final coat, and we'll see if it builds up. And this is what it looks like with 3 coats of the mascara, and I absolutely love it. I can see that it is starting to look a little bit clumpy in the middle, but to be honest, I love it. I feel like that my eyelashes are super long, super thick, super full, and I'm shocked at how different it is compared to the eye without any mascara on to the eye with 3 coats of mascara on. Like I said, just with 2 coats of mascara, I was really happy with. Even 1 coat was really, really good. So I'm going to go ahead and do the lower lash line, and we'll see if it gets on any other part of my face, because the brush is massive. So I'm assuming that it's probably going to go on the underneath of my eye. So doing the lower lashes wasn't actually that bad, and I didn't get any underneath my eye, which I felt like was really good. My lower lashes look so long as well. I'm so happy with how it looks, and I really like the mascara. I like the upper lashes, I like the lower lashes, and I'm so impressed with how it's done. For £3, this is an amazing mascara. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye, then I'm going to come back, show you what it looks like, and let you know how I feel about this mascara. So I've just finished off the other eye, and this is what it looks like, and I really like the way that my eyes look. I love the way that the mascara looks. They look super long, super thick, and super full, and my eyes look so much bigger than they were beforehand, and I feel like this is one of my favourite mascaras. For £3, this has done amazingly. Now, it's not as good as my Maybelline Lash Lift mascara. That one is my favourite one, so something has to be absolutely amazing for me to like it more than the Maybelline one, but this has done really well. Like I said, for £3, it's made my eyelashes look so good, and the only thing that I do have to say is that they are looking a little bit clumpy on the inner part right here, but with that I'll just get another mascara wand and just go through it and just separate the lashes, so I'm not really too worried about that. But I do really like it, and I feel like that my eyelashes look so good, and I'm so impressed with it, and I am loving the way that it looks. So like I mentioned when I was testing this out, I would just be happy with the first layer. That was really, really good, and I was blown away just with the first layer. I would happily go out with the 2 layers on. That looked amazing. It did start to look a little bit clumpy on the inside, but it was pretty fine for me. And then for the third coat, my eyelashes just look so big and so long, so I am really happy with it. And I honestly thought that it would be a little bit of a gimmick, because I do see a lot of mascaras and on their boxes they say this is what your lashes look like before, this is what they look like after, and the after is always massive, and it's like no one's eyelashes could look that different. But honestly, I am really happy with it. I don't feel like it's as dramatic as on the box, but I do feel like they look really good, and there is a very big difference compared to the before and after just for me. And the lower lashes, it went on pretty easily. Now, as I was putting on the lower lashes, I was sort of like shaking while I was doing it. I was like, please do not get it underneath the eye, because it was such a big brush and I had to concentrate. So that's the only thing, because the brush is so big, it is quite hard for you to get on the lower lashes, but my lower lashes still look really long as well, which is really good. And I didn't have any issues with getting on the inner lashes as well. It was pretty easy, and I did do a rolling motion at first just so I could add a little bit more volume, and then I went for it doing a brushing motion afterwards, because I wanted to get the volume first and then I wanted to get the separation afterwards and coating all of the lashes. But it looks like it's coated all of my lashes, and I feel like it's done a really, really good job. Now, this doesn't say how long it's going to last for. It doesn't say about if it clumps. It doesn't say about flaking or anything like that. So we'll be testing it out throughout the rest of the day, and I will put down below in the info section letting you know how it went throughout the whole day, let you know if it flaked or if it didn't budge or anything like that. So I will put it down below in the info section. The only thing that I don't really like about the mascara is actually the formula. I feel like the formula is pretty dry for this mascara. Now, if it was a little bit more wet, I feel like that my lashes would have been coated a lot more, and I feel like that it probably would have given me a bigger lash lift. But it is pretty good, but like I mentioned, I would prefer the formula to be a little bit more wet, but it's not pretty dry where you can't do anything with it. I've used some mascaras in the past where they are so dry that you try and coat your lashes and it's not coating them because it literally is like clumping. There's one from Collection that I used, I think it was the Little Mix Collection one years and years ago. I tried it out and I had to take it back because I was like, this is dry. It was so dry that it felt like that it dried up. But the formula's not too bad. I just wish that it was a little bit more wet. But overall, I am really happy with how it looks, and I actually think it's a lot better than the Better Than Sex mascara. Like I mentioned, I did test that out before on my channel and I did sort of like it, but this, I feel like it gives me a better lash than the Better Than Sex mascara. But I will obviously have to test it out throughout the rest of the day and let you know how it lasts, let you know if it budges, if it smudges, if it flakes, if it droops, anything like that. I will put it down in the info section for you. So overall, I do really like this mascara and I do recommend it. I feel like it's done so well for the £3, and in all honesty, with it being cruelty free and things like that, you can't really complain. It was super affordable, it gave me a really good lash, and I'm so happy with it and I'm so impressed with it as well. So this is my first impression of the False Lash Queen from Primark. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you've tried out this mascara or any of the mascaras from Primark, then just comment down below to let me know, and make sure that you give this video a very big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye!